Hi guys, if you saw my recycling centre gold or garbage video, you'll know I picked this up at the recycling centre. They don't normally have them there. They don't take them, they don't take electronic devices, but I happened to be standing at the counter waiting to pay for those two stools. £3 each. And while I was standing there waiting, somebody came in with a load of electrical stuff they wanted to get rid of, and the guy was saying no, can't take it, but I noticed they were trying to get rid of this, and I said, well, I'll have it, and they said okay, so they gave it to me. So we've got a Hubsan X4 free. The propellers that were with it are all broken, and there wasn't enough to make a complete set. I did happen to have some propellers anyway. They're not quite the right ones. They're actually a tiny bit bigger. But we'll see what happens. I've charged the battery up, so we'll fit the battery and see if it actually takes off. That's all I'm going to do. I'm not going to do anything clever with it. I'm not going to fit an SD card in it to see if the camera works. I just want to see if we can take off and fly forwards and backwards. So I've got my hat camera. It's quite late, just coming up to 9 o'clock at night. So it's beginning to get dark out there, just. Right, so I need to fit that in there. I'm supposed to get this in here and tuck it all in somehow. I'm supposed to tuck under that clip somehow. Not quite sure how. See if that works. Put that down. Power on. I've got a green light already. Okay, what happens if we give it a little bit of power? We did start taking off, although we were drifting backwards, because we might need to retrim it, but we'll just see what we can do. That looks like it's going backwards to my understanding. Yeah, I would have thought the red lights were at the back, because I could always read the instructions, couldn't I? Yeah, that seems to be a complete reverse of what I'm expecting. Does that mean I've got the props on the wrong way round? Switch that off. Unplug. Because these ones aren't labelled A and B. Replacing propellers, page 17. So if we're facing that way, according to me I've got them right. I might have to go outside and check things out. it possible they've got the settings reversed? Let's go outside, just in case it all goes horribly wrong. Right, we're off the ground. Yeah, right and left appears to be reversed to me. It's got to be red at the back because the camera faces forwards, doesn't it? Gonna have to jump up in the air. Let's tuck that back in again. Right, we'll jump up. Nope. Have to go even faster than that. Nope, it's not doing it. Hang on. We're not moving there. Oh, that'll be upsetting if we've got a dead motor already. I do actually have quite a few of these motors because I keep buying them, or I used to keep buying them on eBay, Hubsan motors, for my little aeroplanes, little lightweight aeroplanes. But that looks to me like we got a dead motor on the back. Oh. Yeah, looks like that one's playing up. And that propeller is flexing terribly. So maybe we haven't got, well, it was free, so whatever we've got is a bargain. You can see the gyro working. But we can also see that motor's playing up. Alright, well I'm going to have a look in my little box of tricks then, aren't I? Because at the very least it looks like we've got to replace that motor. Which is why it appeared to be going backwards when I wanted it to go forwards. What a shame. I have ordered some proper propellers for it. As I say, these are a little bit light, and certainly if you, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but if you look at that left one there, when I give it a bit of power, it's distorting. Okay, well, controller works, battery charges, flies are biting. Yeah, I want to go back indoors. I don't like coming outside in the evening when the flies are out. That'll do. So we need to do some work on it. Cost me nothing, but we are going to have to spend some money on it to get it working.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.